Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Once again, I am Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I'm going to be doing my first teardown on a projector. This projector, it started flashing saying, what was it? The lamp. Saying, the power was flickering green, and apparently that meant that the case was open. That's right, the case was open. The case definitely wasn't open. Had a look all over just to verify, and no, it definitely wasn't open. So, of course, this is an In Focus, whatever brand, I don't care. I'm sure I'll put it in the description. If you're this far, you've already seen the brand in the description, so. Damn, these specific Phillips. Oh man, putting that in there real tight. There we go. So of course this is where the bulb goes. Sits in a little caddy and a tray in there. I don't see anywhere that would say why it kept telling us that the case was open, because it definitely was not open. It was not. I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark. Let's see if we got anything else to take out of there. No, we do not. We do not. I do not. Hey, I'll take that. Okay, let's start on this side now. One. Two. Three. 4 and 5. We'll probably need these ones too. Oh, well that happens. Yeah, by the way, I'm not spending all day doing this beautifully. It might not look too good when we're done, and I am okay with that. So, usually with hobbies, whatever you do first, your first one is always a failure. And I do expect this to be a bit of a failure. I should have taken that out earlier. All right. Yes, I see those little Phillips there, and no, I don't care. I do not care. I do not. Do you know about life? Wow, look at those. Such big fans with such little power inputs. Interesting. get you. Where are you? Where are you plugged in now, mon frere? Oh, from the other side. So this is the part where I stopped caring quite as much. And I'll probably pull a little bit. Honestly. Okay, so we got the power supply. Geez, that's a big heat shield. Oh, the lens. Gonna use this to burn some ants. Oh yeah. I wonder, does burning things with lenses count as playing with fire? It must come off first. Very unceremonious. Snap! There's the end. Looks like it just clipped in there to begin with, so get this part off of here. Pull you. Oh, one more to go. Oh, that's how they got that out, like that. Oh yeah! Oh, check that out. There's a color wheel on the side. I wonder what's up there. If you know what that's about, feel free to leave a comment. I'm definitely going to try to take this apart. That will be a job for another day. Oh, probably back there. Big heat shield. Yeah. So yeah, there she blows. That's the main board. What are you attached to, my girl? Oh yeah, I just picked my wire cutters up and took them downstairs too. That would be the way. Let's get a look at this main board here. You know what? I'll be right back. Alright, so here we have the main board. Pixelworks DLP. Now let's see if I can get that lens out. Other than that, we got power supply, the fan. That's where the lens went. Let's see if I can get that out now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there is my lens. Maybe I'm gonna have some fun with this. Anyways, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one, folks, and catch you later.